Kspace Real Estate is designed for architects, developers, city planners, anyone looking for a better way to visualize the built environment. Kspace Real Estate offers 3 levels of visualization: portfolio, geospatial, immersive. Kspace Portfolio. Showcase your projects in this comprehensive web-enabled sales tool. Display key aspects of a property portfolio. Tie into your existing databases and highlight any level of detail you choose. Present master plans, photos, maps, demographics, aerial photography, 3D renderings. Ready to show to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Kspace Geospatial. Blend the visual power of Google Earth and 3D with the flexibility of Flash and the beauty of full motion video. Step into the future and see your development in the surrounding landscape. Tour through the built environment in 3D. Use video to showcase your property's best features. With Kspace Geospatial, you get the complete picture. Kspace Immersive takes you deep into a project. It's a comprehensive virtual reality experience where you have unlimited access to everything you see. Walk through a building or fly over a whole city. Stand on a balcony and soak up the panoramic view. Then watch it at sunset. Click a button and you're there. Kspace Immersive is the most powerful visualization tool yet. So real, you'll feel you're there. The Kspace Real Estate suite of tools is completely compatible with building information modeling systems. So it can help streamline your project planning, construction, marketing and sales from beginning to end. Kspace Real Estate from BeeHive Media. The tools you need to see the possibilities.